Bring the shape back. The name of the game is Bring the Shape Back. Learners are playing against each other to bring and match the 3D shapes to its corresponding names by creating a pattern. The goal or aim of this game is to assist the foundation phase learners, specifically the grade 2 and 3, to develop more understanding of the concept of patterns, functions, and algebra. It also helps learners to be able to identify, recognize, and create their own geometric patterns using physical objects. Learners here are also able to or helped to be able to recognize color. Therefore, it is important for teachers and parents to use colorful physical shapes. This game activates learners' creativity as they create their own geometric shapes. Their problem-solving skills are also activated because the game requires them to figure out the way to bring or match the shape to its corresponding name. The game also integrates geometry and measurement, while learners are creating physical objects using any materials like paper and cardboard. They have to measure length. They have to measure the length using ruler. Learners love playing games, so I have all their attention the moment I say we are going to play a game. So the use of physical shapes will draw learners' attention. And also it works better for visual learners because learners can process visuals more faster than text. So this game boosts visual attention by the use of shapes.